he gave me 2 fucking ribeyes. Wet aged Angus, of course. Carnivore Girl's Creative Carnivore Kitchen. No plants, no dairy, the next level cooking show. Carnivore recipes with meat, fish, seafood, eggs, gelatin, flavored seltzer, water, and salt. From super easy to complicated, from quickly done to many hours in the kitchen. I always say everybody's body and brain are different, and you gotta figure out what works best for you. The carnivore lifestyle has tremendous benefits, healing effects, and is the best elimination diet. There are many different ways how to do carnivore. I found a way that momentarily works the best for me. In this cooking show, I'll show you it doesn't have to be boring and can be very creative, delicious, and fun. I already created so many carnivore recipes on Instagram at karnivorgirl. And I have this never-ending list on my phone with tons of ideas. My brain is a gift and a curse. Have fun with this episode. Hello, welcome to my creative carnivore kitchen. Carnivore Girl here. And no, I'm not at home in Reno. I'm in Salt Lake City, Utah, in a really shabby, roachy Motel 6. Yes. And I'm gonna show you something quick and easy. I just came back from work. So I just have it even got dirty, I think. So now it's really a work shirt. It's old anyways. So I'm just wearing still my work clothes. So I actually did shower though. I don't shower here in the motel. We have the badge to go to the jacuzzi and the pool area. And there is like a shower there. So it's great. I showered over there. But anyways, flies in here too. So let's start. Let me get you here a little bit more to this kitchenette. And yes, I even brought the Ninja Foodie, but I'm not gonna use it today. And it is in the bathroom because when I have it here, the fire alarm goes off all the time. And in the bathroom, there is, when I turn on the light, there's a vent that goes outside and probably also to all the other bathrooms because it always smells like weed and cigarettes, even though none of us smoke here. Yeah, it's so gross, but then I let my Ninja Foodie do its thing and then it smells nicely like beef or whatever meat I put in there, and probably all the other bathrooms and also smell like beef. Haha, well, better than the weed and cigarettes. Okay, let's get started. I already prepared. Okay, let me see. Where should I put you that you can see everything? Is that good? I think that's good, huh? You wanna get closer? Maybe. So, okay. So, yeah, really cool story. Last week, we did an additional unit on that day because we just had leftover time. I knocked there. I was like, yeah, sure, come in. You can already do it today instead of tomorrow. And that guy works for certified Angus beef. And he's like, do you like meat or do you like beef? I'm like, yeah. And I thought, oh, he probably wants to give me some, beef jerky or some, I don't know, seasoned shit. He gave me 2 fucking ribeyes, wet aged Angus, of course, and I forgot either 14 or 40, but I'm pretty sure 40, like 40 days wet aged. Yeah, so I already ate the other one yesterday, and that's how I got the idea to do this. It's so good. Yesterday I torched one side, but not much, and it was basically raw, and it was the best raw. So I'm gonna leave this raw. I love raw meat. Okay, and the other thing I have here is Lachs. And where is it? Where is it? Ah, here it is. I was actually looking for that. The ingredients: Atlantic salmon, salt, and hardwood smoke. That's the only way how I buy Lachs. So no seasoning, no sugar, no nothing, preservatives. So really just fish, salt, and smoke. I feel so naked without my rings. Anyways, and we find Lachs like that also in Reno, but a different company, a different brand. And I love this because it is thinner. It is they are bigger. The ones in Reno are not that big, and I want big ones so I can roll up stuff. And it tastes better. This Lachs really reminds me of the Lachs I used to eat in Switzerland. Yes, the one in Reno, there's no Colorado or anything, but it's much darker color. Well, there are different kinds of salmon. I don't know what kind of salmon it is, but it just it doesn't taste as good. It's not that thin. It's not that. Anyways, I'm gonna take some home of that to Reno from Salt Lake City. So anyways, what else? Well, let's get started. That's basically almost it. So I wanna, as I said, this is so good raw. So every time when I eat something raw, I cut it really thinly. Well, also beefsteak tartare, that is minced meat, or how you say, ground beef, ground meat. Well, beefsteak tartare is beefsteak ground up, but the original tartare is actually with horse meat. And yes, in Switzerland we eat horse, and yes, it is delicious. I think the original one is horse meat. Yeah, I think so. Now I'm so tired. So let's cut these thinly. I was actually thinking, you know what? Let's try. I don't want like the gristle here. No, that's not really edible raw, not for me anyways. So you see, the eye, my least favorite part, is actually really great raw, but also here, of course, the cap, so some of that. But so let's try, because usually when I eat it raw, I really slice it thinly, but I can also, I think let's do two. So, well, I think, can you see? Yes. Let's get some of those. I feel like we bought 2 packages, and I feel like the package I used last time was, oh no, look, it is. Yeah, it's thin, nice and thin, like see-through. I thought the other one even had bigger. Ooh, look, that one is a big one. It's not like big, like talking about like here, wider. Oh no, same. And fold it in. So let's start with those 2. So now they look, yeah, now it's too much, those. Let me see. Maybe not, because Lachs is very flavorful. So yeah. So I just, of course, salt. The Lachs itself, it has salt, doesn't need salt, but I'm gonna use that one. The meat needs salt, especially for me. Raw meat needs even more salt, I feel. But well, you never have to use salt. You know, you can just leave it up. But you know me, I love salt. I need salt. Okay, this is like nice and how do you say, soft, or like, yeah. So I just turned it because I want this side here, so it doesn't matter actually. So, and I'm just rolling it up. So I'm curious, so let me see if he, yes, let's do one like this, like press it down. actually see. Yeah, maybe I have to zoom in a bit. Okay. There's this chair here. Now it's maybe a bit better. So, oh, and I want some of the, I cut some of the cap. Where is the cap? I think no. Oh, here, that looks cappy. So, see how that works. Be enough. Okay. Let's roll that one up. Oh yeah, look. So this was my original idea, but why not this way, right? Haha. Cool. So let's do one more. So we have 3. Oh, I don't wanna have extra one. Of course, I don't wanna mess those up. So here, what are we gonna do here? Combination. Let's see, maybe some of the fat. Actually, let's cut like this piece. Okay, set a combination, right? Actually, I want that piece. Oh, that one is, yeah, here. This can't really, well, you can eat it, you can swallow it. So that one has a lot of meat. Ooh. I didn't have to grind it. Actually, that one, I want some of that. Now it's gonna be salty. Oh yeah, that's gonna be salty. Cool. So I have a raw egg yolk here. I don't have my marrow bones to put it on here, so well, we can just, is it still whole? Or, haha. Okay. That looks good. I'll be right back. So I also have something I found. What is this? It's like, maybe it doesn't look that good, but it's super delicious. It is, so I made shrimp yesterday night, and they were frozen. I just put them into the pan, and well, when the shrimp were done, I took them out and ate them and took them with me to work for lunch. And the juice and, well, the water, because they were frozen, I just reduced it, and it's this. It's kind of like a shrimp broth a bit, but it's so delicious. I know it's like the taste. Ooh, wow. Ooh. Ooh, really shrimpy, really good. So I thought I can also use that. Let's use the egg yolk. Which one first? That one here, with a single one in there. And if it, I thought, you know, at home I have like cute little dishes, but I don't have anything here in that motel. So I thought I'm just gonna hold it and dip it like this, whatever goes over will hopefully land on those two. So raw egg yolk, smoked salmon, lachs, and raw ribeye. Ooh, that's always the most fun. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, the Lachs is so strong. I mean, the flavor is strong, but I love it. So you can really pack a lot of meat in there. So let's try that one here. Oh. Yeah. Of course, it depends what kind of cuts from the ribeye you put in that are easier to bite. I mean, here the eye, super easy to bite. Oh wow, this is really good. Oh, so I actually, yeah, I need to have enough to. Ooh, yeah. Let's try some with the shrimp broth. The shrimp is really flavorful. Oh yeah. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Huh. Ooh. This is super flavorful. It almost overpowers the ribeye. The ribeye is super, how do you say? It's not so powerful, you know. So I mean, good flavor. It's so what's the name? Delicate. It's really great. I feel like I need a bit more salt on the meat actually. So without anything, also great. Oh yeah. That is great for me after a hard day of work. 10+ hours on my feet. Tomorrow again. Okay. That was it for my episode from the Roach Motel 6. And hope you liked it. That was just an easy way, not even cooking, firing up stuff. It's so delicious. Of course, hey, if you don't want to eat raw meat, put a cooked steak in there. Put cooked chicken in there or whatever. Make it your own. Super delicious, whatever carnivore stuff, roll in your Lachs. Awesome. Bye. Thanks for watching. If you try out this recipe, please tag me and let me know how you like it. Subscribe, share, like, comment, follow me on Instagram @carnivorgirl. See you next week in my next episode of Carnivore Girl's Creative Carnivore Kitchen. No plants, no dairy, the next level cooking show.